Hey guys, and it's time to talk about the Pixel 3 XL again. We have new leaks, new images, new videos, and yeah, this thing never stops. All credits to that Russian guy. I will leave all the links in the description so that you can follow him for the latest Pixel 3 leaks and news. Alright, so starting things with what's new in the latest leaks. We now have confirmed specifications of that device, and the Pixel 3 XL would feature a massive 6.7 inches of display size. And that is literally huge. The current Pixel 2 XL I'm using right now is having 6 inches of display, and it's almost 0.7 inches more. That makes a difference because it's not like that Google has cut down the chin or there's no notch, so definitely that is going to make a huge difference. And the shocking part is that it shows that there are total of 3 front facing cameras, all of 8.1 megapixel. And I think that is a typo or mistake from the benchmark application. The Pixel 3 XL will only feature dual front-facing shooters, and that is confirmed. You can see it on your own. There is a 12.2 megapixel rear camera, a single camera, and the numbers are exactly similar to the Pixel 2 XL, the 2017 Pixel smartphones, both the front-facing shooter and the rear camera. But I think Google is going to use a different sensor for better images than the Pixel 2 XL. And at last you will see a 3430 mAh battery, and that is a little downgrade over the Pixel 2 XL, which is having a 3520 mAh battery. Of course, it's not like that the Pixel 2 XL is going to win in terms of battery draining test, because the new Snapdragon 845 is battery friendly as compared to the 835 in the Pixel 2 XL. So not a huge difference in the battery performance I think, but the size could have been more, at least similar to the Pixel 2 XL. But yeah, you have 3430 mAh battery. Adreno 630 is confirmed, and you are gonna see 64 GB storage and 4 GB of RAM. Now the interesting part is that it is coming with Active Edge, the squeeze for assistant, and always on display wallpapers. So as reported earlier, the always on display wallpaper thing is real, and it's coming to all the Android 9.0 smartphones this year. I think Google will release it along with the Pixel 2 XL, due for October 2018. Also, I wanna talk about the display notch real quick. It's not that bad. I mean, just look at that. It's just a little bit deep than the OnePlus 6 notch, and I'm totally fine with the looks of that phone. Doesn't look bad at all, guys. The reason why Google made the notch a little bit deep is because of that dual cameras, the stereo speakers, and maybe for a new level security, because dual cameras can also be used for face recognition. So I think it's totally fine with that notch. So this is it with the Pixel 3 XL and the latest leaks. I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.